Hi everyone, welcome back. Today our recipe is almond chicken curry, badam chicken curry. Okay, let us see the ingredients. Here I am going to use one medium size onion finely chopped, small size 2 tomatoes finely chopped, and for this recipe I am going to use around 20 almonds. I already removed the skin. Just soak this almond half an hour in the warm water, then you can easily remove the skin. Otherwise you can microwave it for almond with water for just 1 minute, then let them cool, then you can easily remove the skin. So I remove the skin already, and I'm going to use pieced coconut. If you're having grated coconut, you can use around 1/4 cup of grated coconut, and crushed ginger and garlic around 2 tablespoons, 2 green chilies, and these are all the garam masala I'm going to use for this chicken curry. Bay leaves, 2 bay leaves, and small size cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as per taste, and 2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 3 teaspoon of oil for this chicken curry. And I'm going to use the bone chicken instead of using boneless chicken. If you use bone chicken, you can get the juicy taste as well as a nice smell also, the juice from the bone. So while you are making these kind of chicken curry, try to use the bone chicken. And okay, let's see how to prepare this chicken curry. First of all, I'm going to heat the pan, then we'll add oil. In the meanwhile, we'll grind this coconut and almond together. I'm going to add coconut and almond. Grind it. While grinding, add water. Almond and coconut mixture is ready. In the meanwhile, heat oil. First, I'm going to add all these ingredients: cinnamon stick, cloves, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and bay leaves. Then I'm going to add finely chopped onion. Red onion is always good. Chop it nicely until they get slightly transparent. Then we'll add crushed ginger and garlic. No, we can't make this chicken curry for every week actually. If you are inviting your friend, special friend, your relative, those who are meeting the first time, try to that time. This chicken curry is an option. It's a good option. We can't use the almond for every week for our meal. Actually, it's kind of rich chicken curry. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. Next, I'm going to add green chilies and crushed ginger and garlic. Try to add fresh ginger and garlic, like a freshly crushed one. We can get the exact flavor and we can feel the freshness also. In my most of my videos, you can see I use crushed ginger and garlic only. Sorted. Next, I am going to add this tomato. See, look at the tomato color, how red it is. Other than raw tomato, try to use these kind of tomato. So we can get kind of tanginess plus sweetness also. So each and every ingredient gives something, some different taste to our chicken curry. Now I'm going to add salt. Saute everything together until the tomatoes are smashed. Now I'm going to add masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and chili powder. How much spice you want, you can add it. Now mix it everything together again for a few seconds. Then we'll add chicken pieces. Next, I'm going to add the chicken pieces. I already cleaned and washed the chicken pieces. Mix it everything together. All chicken pieces should coated by this masala. Mix it well. And leave it for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add next ingredient. Once the chicken pieces cook in that masala, I'm going to close it for just 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just going to open it. See, the color got slightly changed. See, it's turned into slightly white color. Now I'm going to add this ground masala of badam, that is almond and coconut. I'm going to add a little bit water. I don't want to waste anything. And rinse it. And mix it everything together and check the salt at this point. If you want more salt, you can add it. Now stir it well. Now I'm going to close this pan again for next 8 to 10 minutes. We added bone chicken. If you are adding boneless, it will cook very fast, but it is bone chicken, it will take little time. So I'm going to cook the chicken further in the medium high. Let's wait. Reduce the flame like medium high. Now let's check the chicken curry. Yeah, it's cooked well. See, the oil started coming out the sides. And look at the color, it's not a thick red color. Because of that coconut and the almond, we got kind of creamy yellow. See, it's ready now. I'm going to turn off the heat and close this pan and leave it for 2 minutes. Then we'll transfer this into the bowl. Now this almond chicken curry goes well with idli, dosa, appam, uttapam, as well as any kind of variety rice, or you can serve it with roti, chapati also. Try this almond chicken curry recipe and like this video and subscribe my channel. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.